In this video, I will show you how RUFUS Bristol Taxi drivers picking up customers from London Heathrow Terminal free. Before I'm going to set my alarm clock, I'm getting onto Heathrow app and finding a flight which I needed. It's quite accurate with landing time and it's giving me an idea at what time I need to wake up. This Hong Kong flight landing approximately at 6 AM and my traveling time is about 1 hour and 45 minutes. It means I'm giving myself about 25 half an hour extra to get ready. Before I'm going to leave, I'm getting onto Heathrow app once again, checking a flight. In my case, flight is landing a bit early, but it's nothing to worry about. Then I'm getting onto maps and I'm ready to go. If you are still here, please consider to like, share, follow or subscribe to the channel. I will be much appreciated. Thank you guys. Easy Sunday morning guys, very nice driving conditions, motorway is clear and I'm planning to be at Heathrow at the same time when plane is landing. If customer got only hand luggage, it's coming out in about 25 minutes. If he needs to collect anything from the belt, it takes about 40 minutes. That's why I'm not worried about those 13 minutes when I left later. It means in worst case scenario, I will drive straight to the terminal. Before plane comes to land, he needs to get in a cube and time to time he's doing a loop around to get in a right place. That's what happened with this flight and landing time has been extended by 15 minutes. I'm coming a little bit earlier now than plane is going to land. In that case, I'm driving to the McDonald's for a cup of coffee on a Bath Road. It's 60 minutes free parking space next to Heathrow Airport and about 8 minutes away from the terminal. It was one of those flights where I couldn't get in touch with the customer. I prepared my welcome sign, waited 25 minutes and drew to the terminal. Now I'm going to show you how to drive from McDonald's to terminal free short stay car park, which lanes to take and where to park in a short stay car park for easiest escape. Just before tunnel, you want to find yourself in a left hand side lane. After tunnel, left again and stay in a lane. Now it's gonna be a little bit tricky. I'm always trying to park into level 1 car park, even if it says full, but it's no cars in the front and it's clear at the moment. There are some spaces definitely, and I'm trying to get as close to the exit. If you watch a video until the end, you will see why. And here we go, I found a space just next to exit. Okay, let's park a car and let's go to get a customer. It will be a little walk. Terminal free is a bit tricky. You need to go through the tunnel, go down. And here we go, we are by the arrivals. I don't know how to say, it was experience or luck. I've got my customer after 1 minute I came to arrivals. As I promised, I'm gonna show you how it looks car park after 5 minutes. £7.50 for car park. And here we go guys, look how many cars now. It's crazy. That's why if you've got a bit of space, you need to park as close as possible to the exit. Of course, you can take level 2 or 3 car park, but keep in mind it's gonna take about 10-15 minutes longer to get out. Since I woke up and dropped the customer, it took me to do this job about 4 hours and 45 minutes. I think it demonstrates how RUFUS taxi drivers are professional. If you would like to book me directly, please visit RUFUS.taxi. My driver's number is free. Book me and I'm gonna take care about you. Thank you for watching, guys, and until next time.